Hey everyone, my name is Jazer. I have a piano challenge for you today. We're going to do a polyrhythmic exercise where you play 3 notes in the right hand and 2 notes in the left hand. Let's see how this works on the piano. So today's polyrhythm challenge is a 3 against a 2. But before we even get to that, let's start from the basics. If we just say, instead of 3 against 2, if we just say 1 against 1, it would look something like this. So if we're in the C position, okay, C to G in the left hand, C to G in the right hand, a 1 against 1 would sound something like this. Yeah, so I think not too challenging for people watching this channel. I think that should be pretty manageable. But if we were to say, let's say 2 against 1, so 2 in the right hand and 1 in the left hand, that starts to get a bit more complex now. You've got to think a little bit more. So you can see in that example, the right hand was twice as fast as the right hand. So if you imagine sort of like 2 runners running in a stadium and one is twice as fast. So by the time the left hand finishes 1 round, the right hand has finished 2 rounds. Okay, let's now get into the actual exercise for this video, which is the 3 against 2. The 3 against 2. It sounds like this. You know, when you hear something like that, it probably sounds a bit complex. It sounds like it doesn't really fit with each other. And that's kind of the whole point of doing this exercise, because it is a great exercise to work on our hand coordination. Just letting you know that this video is in response to another video that I have where I gave people 10 levels of hand coordination exercises to do. And this exercise is level 9 and 10 of that one. So we're going to really break this down and see if we can do it in this video. Before we even get to the piano, I think it's really helpful to start with body percussion. So remember, the polyrhythm exercise is 3 in the right hand and 2 in the left hand. How it works is the first ones come together. So, okay, so it's together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. So give it a try. Bum, ba, ba, boom, bum, ba, ba, boom, bum, ba, ba, boom. Bum, 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 bum. Now the trick to actually doing this properly is you probably want to work on it section by section, so bar by bar, okay? So you would work on that first bar first. So remember what we did with the body percussion? So together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. So together, right, left, right. And once that's comfortable, then you can move on to the next bar. Okay, and do it again. Make sure you're really comfortable with that. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. So a tip I have for you today when you're doing this exercise is I want you to accent the notes that are played together. So like this. Because when you accent these notes and you push it together, you're sort of really helping your hands to learn and build that muscle memory for this exercise. So dum 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 dum. Very nice, guys. One last demonstration for you, very slowly. When that starts to get comfortable for you, you can also start to change for the left hand to play the 3 and the right hand to do the 2. Okay, so it sounds like this. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed that challenge. Let me know in the comments how you went or what kind of other tutorials you want. I'll catch you in the next video.